Teddy Kitten. This video too. My grandfather. He has passed away. Please play. For him, thank you. Let's play book. Nighttime. It's a nighttime. Iron board. I'm not read anymore. Silver. Purple. Its color is red. This is orange. Yellow. Green. Let's make a house.
Oh no!
It's falling down. Where's Daddy? Let's go to Daddy. Let's
Yes.
I'm bored.
Okay, you are bored? Let me think what we can do. Okay, wait, I have an idea. Alright, this is for you, that's your cup.
Wow.
This is dough. Dough.
No, is this also mine? And this is
That's your spoon.
a spoon. It's cool. This is better.
So, go on, squeeze that one. flavor. Alright, we're gonna make you a chocolate one. There you go.
Wow.
There is one more there for you. Uh-oh. Who's this? Let me have a look. Where's everything gone?
Huh? I don't know.
Anyways. Alright, let's try this now. Some cupcakes. Alright, let's see how we're gonna do this.
Whoa! We should try.
Hold on. I'll do it. Calm down. Take out everything.
It's nothing inside.
So you have your cake. Okay, wait 1 second, it's not ready yet. A bit of this. Alright, donut time, yeah? You like a donut?
Yes.
What flavor do you like?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Yes, there you go then. 1 second, stop right there.
Chocolate. Please one minute. I want baby.
There's your donut. And I'm gonna give you a bit of a juice, yeah?
Uh-huh.
There you go. That's your juice.
Huh?
You're welcome. Hello? Honey, wait a minute. I'm coming back.
Yes. Music time. Shakalaka. I love magic. I love my douche. I love my douche. I love my douche. Oh wow, donut.
Where's everything gone?
Huh? I don't know.
Anyways. Alright, let's try this now.
I want this one. I'll make
Let me show you like this. There you go. That's for you. Wait, alright. You carry on. I'm gonna make you a nice biscuit here.
I'm rolling that. It's fun. And this one, this, like this, and a video.
Mother, here you go. That is for you. Maiza, now you play. I am tired. I'm gonna go sleep. You play with Bubsy, okay?
Okay. Bye bye.
I'll take.
Once again. Another time. Oh, yum yum. I'm full.
Honey, what happened? Okay, let's go to the doctor. Hurry up, hurry up.
Hello. Hello. What happened? Where's my mother? Okay, let me check. What do you eat? Ice cream and we need to brush your teeth. Okay. Now take your teeth. Brush your teeth. Twice. Don't eat. 2 and 3 seconds. Bye bye. Please like, share, subscribe.